Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save time and effort by batch installing applications on your Windows 11 PC. We'll explore four powerful tools: Winget, Winstall, Ninite, and Chocolatey. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at installing multiple apps in one go. Let's get started. Batch installation tools are designed to simplify software installation. Instead of downloading and installing each application individually, you can install multiple apps with just a few commands or clicks. Let's first look at using the Winget tool on Windows 11. Winget is pre-installed. Open PowerShell or Command Prompt. By searching for it in the Start menu, type Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Choose Yes in the User Account Control prompt. On the Command Prompt window, type the following command to search for an app you want to install. When your app appears in the search results, make a note of its ID. This ID will be used to install the app. You can also search for an application that starts with a specific name, and all will be listed. Choose the one you're looking for and note down its ID. Let us try searching for the popular VLC media player and take note of its ID. This command is used to search for all the applications in its repository. It will return a list of all packages that can be installed using Winget, displaying their names, IDs, and other relevant information. This is particularly useful if you want to browse the entire repository to find an app but aren't searching for something specific. After collecting the necessary IDs, execute the following command: replace App 1, App 2, and App 3 with the IDs of the apps you noted. You can add as many apps as you wish. Once you're done, you can install all the apps at once. The process may take a few to several minutes, depending on your internet speed and the number of apps selected. I will not run the command myself since I have all the apps already installed. Winget is incredibly efficient for anyone comfortable with command line tools, but what if you want a graphical interface? That's where Winstall comes in. At the top of the site, click Apps to view the available apps. On the app list, you can select the app you want to install or just search for it. When the page opens, click Select App to add the app to your installation list. Next, navigate back to the app page by clicking Apps at the top and repeat this process for each app you wish to install. Once you've selected all your apps, click Generate Script, copy the Winget command provided, paste the command into the command line or PowerShell, and hit Enter. The command will look like this. Winstall is a user-friendly way to batch install apps using Winget without needing to remember all the commands. Let us now take a look at Ninite. Unlike other bulk install apps, Ninite doesn't rely on the command line. This tool lets you pick the apps you want to install and then creates a custom graphical installer that installs those apps on your system. Check the boxes next to the apps you want to install when done. Click the Get Your Ninite button to download the custom installer. Run the downloaded file, and Ninite will automatically download and install the selected apps without interruptions. Ninite is perfect for those who want a hassle-free click-and-go experience, but for power users who need more control, let's look at Chocolatey. Open PowerShell as an administrator, run the following command to install Chocolatey. To search for an app you want to install, use this command. Locate your app in the search results and take note of its package name, as you will need it to install the app. Chocolatey is ideal for IT professionals or anyone who needs robust features like version control and advanced scripting. If you're a beginner, try Ninite or Winstall. For more advanced users, Winget and Chocolatey offer unmatched power and flexibility. And that's it. With these tools, you can save hours when setting up a new PC or maintaining your current one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.